I'd be too afraid that I'd come down off a bump and be like,
No, but he's probably not. All it takes is catching.
yeah, I see his front end. He's coming.
Sure.
Being that it's not powering on, I'm gonna go with that as correct. It has grossness on it. Grossness on it. Are there rechargeables?
Oh yeah.
Super heavy duty battery. Cadmium? we'll find out. Got fender.
Huh?
So we got the fender in the back. Door's not bad.
Oh. Okay.
Little nick on the mirror, and then just a little bit on the door. Yeah, it was the fender that took the brunt.
But not the actual.
Yeah, you get like a little circle swirls, and then the cross member beam thing. Cool. But when we were coming back down, something was trying to pop off the bead.
Hiss.
Yeah, hissing was there. Okay.
What the hell's going on?
Do you need to hit it more left and
That's
then,
what I'm thinking.
yeah, and then curve right? Back up into here.
You fall down that hole or something? I have never had problems going up this before.
I know. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Don't die. Ugh. I think I need to be on that side. I'm coming, baby. Yeah. Come this way. I can see your rear diff. Come more this way, baby. Yeah, you need to come driver's side. For sure. Was that?
Where's my back tire at? Am I on a hole?
No. You stay right there, you can come driver. That's what I'm thinking. Oh. Let me check that, because where the rear. One day I'll learn to wear shoes out here. The one on the right? Well, that's...
The one on the right, yeah, that's what it looks like to me, because every time he eats that hole...
It's just that right rear has not got enough.
Got me nervous as hell. He's having a hard time. He's way higher than me.
That's okay. If we get up there, we at least will have a winch.
Right. I have a winch. Right, but that's not the point. I don't want to winch it up.
See, I think that is when he gets right here, his diff hits the bumpers for him. All right, right there.
You don't do it, that means I don't have to do it. Woohoo!
Wait, I thought this was your idea. He's gonna run you over, Germ. Yeah, it looks good. It looks all good until he gets to that back. You can either come this way. You're good right there. Just are you gonna go driver? I know, but he tried coming this way and got a little shoop shoop again. I don't know. Or we can put a rock or two in this hole. Jerem, do you want to put a rock in that hole? It's a little warm today. Don't know how hot it is. Just hot after climbing up and down rocks. He has to back himself in like you did. Oh, maybe not. That's good. He might have to back in. Yeah, just like that.
From the small rocks, and you kicked the small rocks right out, but I put one big old rock like this big.
Okay.
And I think that's what gave me that ramp to get up it. And then I chose, obviously, you guys gave me traction on my passenger. So I had traction on my passenger rear, passenger front, and I know we have traction on drivers. That's the only side we get traction on this waterfall's driver. So I think that's what did it.
Yeah, I wasn't sure if you were going to have to back in like he did and come at it, but no, you just swung right over into it.
Thank you guys.
That worked out well.
I made it, and I had a back. My lips still feel weird. What?
On your front left tire. Look how it's wrapped around.
Isn't that so awesome?
It is. My tires are going hiss, hiss, hiss.
Yeah, we were backing down one of the times we backed down, and it's
Every time
we're like,
I back
oh.
Okay, well, I mean.
Every
So
time
we're
I
probably
back
at like 8 now.
You think? You think?
I don't know.
I'm going to end up getting method rims with the inside lock.
Yeah.
All this shit's on the list for when Maria tells me I can actually start using my paycheck.
Hey, you wanted the extra money to go towards the mortgage.
I do. We end up having to flee this place. I want to get as much money as I can.
Flee?
Ah.
Good old buddy Newsom becomes president, and we got another Newsom.
All right.
Well, that I
Waterfall was a little more of a challenge than we anticipated.
My ass can't handle that hot rock anymore.
Kind of frustrate me though, because that's actual structural.
Yeah. Did it mess with the integrity though, or did it
No,
it just took a chunk of.
Every time I look at it, it's kind of frustrating me though. I'm not like rawr, but it's not a bolt-on item, and it's not at the bottom. You know.
Yeah.
It's kind of like where I hit the tree.
Yeah.
Remember? Every time I see that, I get frustrated too. I'm like, gosh dang it.
Yeah, I don't know how many things flew. I know we lost a pair of glasses somewhere. And
Well, we were kind of sideways.
a little bit.
I've never had problems with that waterfall, man. That's crazy. This just goes to show you.
Trail changes every time.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Well, that's what I was thinking too. Is like I don't think it's rained really since last time we've been out. We've got very little rainfall.
It's super dry.
So, holes probably got dug that much deeper. Wind blowing the sand out of the spots where it used to once be. Yeah, because for this and for you to have struggled up there, where once you did not, well, where multiple times you did not.
That was always a waterfall that was deceiving because it looked scary, but it was simple.
Odessa's waterfall.
You know what it is?
Huh?
They stacked all the rocks.
Wrong?
And they all got kicked out here,
Yeah.
but they're all right here. And so yours is completely thrown to the right. When I was going up it, I was like, this does feel different.
Yeah, and that's what I was like. When I looked at the rock pattern, I was like, I feel like those rocks should be in that corner, tucked in the corner more. And then, contemplated it, and I was like, well, we'll see what happens. And then you and your just absolute determination, like, no, we're gonna make this.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm like, it's okay. Just let's refactor everything.
I need to build this thing for my driving. Because I push this thing a little harder than I think average people push their Jeeps. I don't do it retardedly though, I guess you could say.
Right, I was like, it doesn't...
I understand the breaking point of an axle.
Right.
Except Jimmy's. That one I actually got pissed. Because I wasn't going over it. I'm real out of practice. I'm super tired right now.
Yeah.
Like I keep thinking I'm just going to pull off the side of the road and go to sleep. Leave it idling and just sleep in this AC.
You can do that too. Except for can't open the back door. Bend the fender now.
Is the fender that bad?
Yeah. Well, I went to get a bottle of water out of the back seat.
Mm-hmm.
Can't. I was like, okay, I'll go around.
Oh.
It's just folded.
Back door.
Yeah.
I thought you meant hatch. I was like, wait a minute, what?
No, it's just bent up in front of the door, and I wasn't gonna try to bend bend it down at that time.
Where's that big rock at?
It's right here. You'll find it
Oh,
here
I
in a
see it.
second.
On the right. This suspension sure did make things better though, huh?
It sure did. Sure did. Oh, my air vent's been closed this whole, well, maybe not this whole time, maybe just in the thrashing of things. My tomato red. Spent too much time out in the sun.
Not as bad.
I even got the floppy hat out and just didn't put it on.
That is so crazy how much trouble I've had getting up that. Then again, I don't know if my front lockers are working. If they are, they're not working full time. I'll tell you that right now. I think I'm leaking way too much air from the compressor. I got the rebuild kit. This thing just never takes precedence.